Namaskar. Spiritual race for the day. Anyakshetre kridam papam, punyakshetre vinashyati. Punyakshetre kridam papam, varanase vinashyati. Malari, anyakshetram kelalashil papa, punyakshetra kel munjalari, te kadit manita. Tashichi, punyakshetra kelal papa, varanasi kel jalari, vattamo, a shlok sanktas. What is so important in Varanasi, Banaras Mantrayami? So the actually landmass of Banaras is not part of earth. They believe it is resting on the hood of the Trishul of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva, Trishula Vairi, the rest karta munu sankta sachi Banaras. And Banaras was created by a lightning shiner. They actually Aidana Kash like the Kasha shyness, they shine at the Aile Banaras Japana, the she Kashi Muntaka and Santaji. The very, very important thing what we should notice in Banaras is the Manikarnika Ghat, where the cremation fire, which is actually burning for many thousand years. Small वर्ष जाऊनो ते क्रिमेशन ग्राउंड अंतु जलतस ते उज्जो कभी वडवानी तंता तजर तु कसम मनारी ते जागो entire Banaras area is giving an energy, an aura of burning. So what we can burn? We can burn our internal enemies. What are the internal enemies? Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Masa, Ahankara, Samshaya. All these Shad various we call it, those enemies which are within us needs to be burnt. We can go to Banaras and pray that it should get burned. Ammi sakdi te uchun pray kel munjalari amgel te Shad various burn jata ani the amka ek enlightenment milch changas ani Banaras is Kashi Vishwanath temple tajjikatarata they important. So let's pray to the Lord Vishwanatha to give us energy of enlightening ourselves. Thank you very much. I am Colonel Ashok Kini from Naya Delhi. Namaskar.